Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can make After Effects run faster. First, let's open our Adobe After Effects. From here, go to the top part of your screen and go to File. From here, navigate Project Settings. Then go to Video Rendering and Effects. On this Use tab, I suggest always selecting Mercury GPU Acceleration to have a faster After Effects. If you don't have a GPU, you might not see this option over here, but if you do have, please select this one, then hit OK. After that, go to Edit on the top, then go to the Preferences and General. Next, click Preview right here. From here, make sure that your adaptive resolution is at 1/8. Next, let's go to Media and Disk Cache. On the maximum disk cache, I suggest having a higher gig on this one. Then always empty your disk cache over here for smoother use of After Effects. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.